2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of oil, a pinch of salt, and some water. Pour a little water to the bowl, then mix. When it's dry, add more water. After it turns to dough, push, move, and squeeze the dough until it collects all of the flour. After you're done, wrap the dough with plastic wrap. The ingredients for the filling are green onions that are cut, 1.5 cups of shredded carrots, 1.5 cups of shredded lettuce, 2 pieces of garlic cloves, and some oil. Put enough oil to spread the whole pan for your vegetables. Make sure you turn the heat. Start adding the garlic when your oil is ready. Start adding the green onions to your pan after a little while. After throwing the green onions into the pan, you can shortly throw the green lettuce and the shredded carrots into your pan and cook them. Take off the plastic wrap from the dough. Pour flour to the table to prevent sticking. Split the dough in half. Now roll both of the doughs into a log. After you roll them, cut them into equal pieces. You should get around 15 equal pieces. After you're done cutting the dough, roll the pieces into a sphere, and then use the rolling pin to flatten the dough. Cutting the dough into a circle is optional. Next, we add the filling and fold the dough as what I'm doing here. You may want to add a little water around the dough to make it easier to fold and stick. While you're folding the momos, keep a steamer of water boiling. Then, grease the steamer pan. Place the momos into the greased steamer pan and then let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. It should look golden hard after 5 to 7 minutes. That's when the momos are ready. That's good.